I have had this apron from Khane Kura for a while and I love it. It's sturdy, durable, but it's the full denim. And I wanted to try something different, but I ordered the bleach version and it just arrived. So this one has the same style, but again, it's gonna hide the stains. It's gonna be great and I'm loving it. So let me just show you a little bit about this apron. So you put it on, and it comes, the clasp here, it's so smooth. I can raise it up, lower it down. I myself like to keep it up a little higher because I tend to be messy. I don't want any spills on my shirt. And then the fit is super tight. We also have the ties and they're made of the same material. So nice and durable. Just pull it through the material. It's thin enough that it's not going to be so difficult. Has really great, nice deep pockets if you need to use that for anything. But this has been great. I think I'm gonna really like this. I love the length of it and I think you should try it and check it out.